Hey everyone, today we're at Liquor Legends in Hawker. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. Very interesting. This is super vintage. Not gonna lie, it actually does look vintage. Even with newer looking evaporators, like what was that? So we have not one, not two, but 3 Buffalo Trident evaporators. So you've got the coil here. So yep, Buffalo Trident right there. They're interesting. So there's the drainage pipe right there, as you can see. Here's the coil back here, and there's the cold, and there's the pipe that injects cold water into the coil. This is very vintage. What do you think, Mom? Very unusual setup too. So this is Buffalo Trident right there, as you can see. And of course, 3 fans on each one, which makes about 9. Got the drainage pipe right there, and there's the coil that, there's the pipe that injects the water into the coil, and there's the coil back there. Same goes for that one, as you can see. So yeah, that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.